When I started this collection, it was the first brief was they asked me to do a low table, and then I received another brief for a shelving wall shelf. And at that time, I was working on a kind of language around a road in metal, how to make thin structure but very elegant and very simple. So we started with the low table, and then we thought, oh, maybe it could be a nice to create a shelf also. So we mixed the two briefs, in fact. So it became the collection of low tables and shelf, and also standalone shelves. So it's just the beginning of the inline collection, which is very exciting. So Nine is a London-based company, but also based in Germany and in Denmark. We are here in 3 days of design for the launch of the brand. So we've been working since 3 years on this brand, on this project. We are several designers working for them. So for the moment we are 9 designers, and I'm one of them. And it's officially launched today, so it's good. We worked on those ceramic, which is composed by 3 sizes and 6 colors. So each size has two colors combination, and it's mainly daily pots and bowls that can be useful for everything, using in the kitchen or putting flower. So it's not only vases; it could be like just pot, and it's made in Turkey. And it's hand painted, so it's very nice because you have this vibration in the colors and in the pattern. So they are not perfectly painted, so it gives a lot of character and to the pieces. So it's hand manufactured. Yeah. So the collection Milk it's a very simple project. It's a collection of carafe and glasses made from borosilicate, which is a chemistry glass, very thin. And it was mainly inspired by old milk bottle. So I kind of used the outline of a standard milk bottle to use it as an outline of a new collection. So we simplify it a lot. And it's a very simple and affordable product. I think for 2 glasses it's 20 euro. So the idea was just to make a very nice daily carafe and glass. It's very simple. Yeah. I've been studied in France in a design school, which was very artistic. So I have this artistic mind and sensibility, I think. But in another way, I also studied in a more industrial and more efficient where I studied product design, industrial design. So I think I have this tension between very simple, pragmatic, efficient products, and also I'm very also artistic in a way. So my work is a combination of those two, I think, and you can feel it in inline, which is very simple, efficient, flat pack product, trying to be affordable for everyone. And then the ceramic vase, which are more sculptural, and yeah, so there's this combination in my work. And I'm very also interested in detail because I have a photographic eye, we'll say. So I'm also a photographer in product design. So I'm doing photography for brand, design brand, furniture brand. So I think I have this attention of always putting one detail in, so we can resume all of my work or all of my product in one detail most of the time, because it comes from this eye of putting the point on what, yeah. So inline is about this wiring detail which support, and so yeah, I would say that.